In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Power BI on your computer or on your laptop. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, let's get into it. Now, to get started, we shall go to Microsoft Store, and you can easily access Microsoft Store on taskbar here. And here is Microsoft Store. You can see it by this icon. If you can't see it, you can go to Start menu here, and from here you should be able to locate Microsoft Store. Go ahead and click on it to get to Microsoft Store here. Once you are here, go ahead and create your account. You can use your Google account to create an account on Microsoft Store. Then go ahead and search for any app using the app function here. Alternatively, you can search for your app here. So I'll go ahead and search, and here is Power BI. To download it, go ahead and click on Get here. And if you click on it, the download process will then begin, and then installation will happen. Now, once this is done, the app will be installed on your computer. You can now proceed and open it. So that's how you can download and get Power BI app on your computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.